Hi, this is how I add delicate detail that really packs a punch on these Slipper Orchid petals. So I keep my paint mix nice and thick, but still fluid, and use the very tip of my brush to paint in the spots. I'm careful to leave a tiny area within each spot itself that I don't paint. This has the effect of adding a shiny highlight to each little spot, therefore giving it depth and creating a three-dimensional effect. So it really brings the petal and the details on it to life. I vary the sizes of the spots as they're not all uniform, and this helps to create a more natural and realistic image. And then I steadily work my way along the length of the petal, just painting in these spots wherever I can see them on my subject. And then when I'm happy with my petals, I come down to the main bulb of the Slipper Orchid and begin to create the beautiful deep rich colours on this. I really want to capture the depth of the colour here, so it will take me a few layers to build this up. And I also really want to create the texture on the surface, again to create that really naturalistic feel. So with each layer of paint that I apply, I have to let it dry completely before coming back and adding another layer of this lovely deep rich colour over the top to build it up. Here I'm adding in this speckled detail of smaller spots onto this area of my plant, using the very tip of my brush and adding my paint onto a slightly damp surface so that the edges just naturally spread out. And then the finest detail of this Slipper Orchid is the tiny little hairs that grow from the very edges of the petals. Using a thick but fluid mix of my dark paint, I very carefully but quickly add them in along the edge here, not hanging around too long, as I just need one quick flick of the wrist to keep my lines very delicate and fine. If you'd like to follow along with my full step-by-step tutorial of this beautiful Lady Slipper Orchid, you can find it inside the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below, so come over and have a look. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming tips and techniques. Thanks for watching.